Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We got a Canadian diesel engine pulling the Looney Tunes characters in gondola cars with a Santa Fe caboose. We got Minnie, the Martian, we got Donald Duck, the Professor, Bugs Bunny. Here he is coming through the mountain again. We got Sylvester, and we got Big Donald Duck there with the big Martian with his gun pointing at something. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and if you would, please go to YouTube and subscribe to me at Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains 9169. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this video and have a great day. Thank you. Here it is coming out on the mountain. Everything's looking great. Thank you for watching.